that's where I'm headed to go get a M&M's Blizzard Rock. I don't know what you call them. So that's what I'm going to do. The snow stopped just a little while ago. Okay, I can turn in here without getting killed. Just people arriving very fast. Alright, let's see. I don't know what the heck I want to call them. Let's see, there's a menu there. Please order at the drive-through window. Oh, that's why. I didn't know what I had to do. Okay, I need to set this down. Oh, pretty good. After I read your sign, I want one of those triple chocolates, but leave out the cookie dough and add M&Ms.
Yeah, so you want like the M&M chip chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay, anything else?
That's it.
Awesome, let's give me 510. M&M chip longer for chocolate. Okay, $14.90 is your change. There you are.
Thank you.
I'll be right back.
All right.
There you go.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, you have a good night.
All right. There, it's got all kinds of M&Ms in it, and it's very difficult to hold this tablet while I'm doing this, so I'm gonna have to set her down, I think. So anyway, talk to you in a minute.